Hi there, and welcome to this Jahia developer tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be crafting what's referred to in Jahia as a view, that is, a visual rendering of a given piece of content. Let's get started. In a previous tutorial, we defined a content type on an HTML template. We're now creating a view so that we can display that content in our own user-defined way within that template. We're back in our template and we're going to replace the static content with a tag named content area. This is an area on the site where a content author is free to do as they wish, contributing dynamic content. We're removing the static elements and adding free areas for dynamically generated content. We are, however, going to restrict what can be contributed here to the content type we created in the previous tutorial. This is a matter of design. We can leave the content authors very free or impose some restrictions based on what we want to achieve. We're creating a view which lives under a specific path. That path is the prefix _ the name of the content type /HTML to say that we're going to write an HTML rendition of the given content type. Could be anything though, XML, JSON, you name it, whatever the desired rendered output. We're going to start by copy and pasting the prefix of another JSP file. They're all the same, so it doesn't matter which one we copy from. We're also going to copy and paste the static code we removed from the main file into the view here. Everything here is still quite static. We're going to make it dynamic by extracting the content that's been authored by a content author. We use the variable common node and the property names that we defined in our definitions.cnd file from the previous tutorial. We have a section, title, introduction, and body. We want an image, not a string, so we're going to extract the URL of the image file we want to utilize for the view. The syntax for this is .node.url. An image is a content node, and we're extracting its URL directly. Returning to the CMS, we're going to contribute our content. We have a free area with a form and all the properties we've described. Via the content author experience, we're going to fill them in. When we click Save, we see an HTML rendering of what the content is going to look like. We select an image and fill all the properties in. It looks good. We're going to now return to the page composer and preview it from there. Again, looking good. And just like that, we have dynamically generated content from a content author within the CMS. This concludes our tutorial series. Hopefully you've seen that by using Jahia, it's incredibly easy to both create and reuse HTML templates, as well as embed them with dynamically generated content in a very fast manner. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to us at info@jahia.com. Thanks for watching.